Welcome to the New Age. This your guy Datwan. This is
LJ's view, like father, like
son. And we all know about the EV charging station stocks that have been rising lately in the EV sector in general that has been rising lately due to infrastructure bills being passed, anticipation on the runs that's going to happen in this sector. But what's going overlooked is another industry that had a whole bunch of anticipation.
That's right.
Due to the runs that we thought it would have, for one, and two, due to infrastructure bills and government spending, for two.
I remember another gentle visitor from the heavens. He came in peace and then died, only to come back to life. And his name...
And that's 5G. 5G was supposed to run a year ago, and it kind of just died out this year. So, with the infrastructure bill being passed this week and more anticipation going into 2022, what do you think about 5G and the infrastructure bill?
I think it's the best kept secret. It's an opportunity sitting right under our noses. It reminds me of Moderna. You know, a year ago when the vaccines was at its height,
right?
And the government invested some investment dollars from government spending went specifically towards Moderna.
Right.
Moderna was at 37 when I first looked at it. It shot all the way up to around $400 at its height. And so this opportunity that sits before us reminds me of that. Investment dollars, 65 billion to be exact,
right.
going towards the broadband sector. I got two stocks that are hot off the press that I'm looking into strongly. Number one, we're talking about GILT satellites. Ticker symbol GILT.
Both of these are 5G stocks, by the way. Continue.
GILT at its height above $22. Today it's sitting at $770 at the time of this recording. A major retracement, which means it can only go up from here.
That sounds like a great investment opportunity.
Going into 2022 and beyond.
Right.
So that's one of the biggest ones that I'm looking at, and I'm going to slide some of my investment dollars that way. This is not financial advice. It's just what I'm doing. Number two, stock number two, one that you was able to benefit from during last year's hoopla around 5G, Ericsson, ticker symbol ERIC. Ericsson reached about $15 at its height. Today, as we speak, is currently pushing towards $11. So it's a nice retracement. And that, can you share your experience with us, what you was able to take advantage of?
Right. So again, I took advantage and I made a nice pretty penny off of the anticipation of 5G stocks that would run. We was all looking at the 5G sector. We all knew that the government and big money spending would pour into this sector and provided its leg up to go cross country. With that being said, it didn't run like we thought it would, but I was able to, take profits and pretty much make, a nice trade off of this industry.
Right.
And specifically this stock.
And Ericsson, is a sneaky move. It kind of fell by the wayside over the years because of the competition from China and other stocks in the internet 4G sector. So it's interesting that it has gained some new life, and with America looking to build back better under this current infrastructure bill and plan and this administration's agenda, I think that Ericsson will benefit greatly from these investment dollars.
Thank you. So that's two stocks for you to keep your eye on. Obviously, we're not financial advisors, but if you do your own due diligence, it may work out for you. With that being said, we're in, we're out, we're out, we're in. This is the New Age. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.